Good morning, students. I welcome you for the chemistry class. Today in this video, I'll be discussing about the exercise question, chapter Coal and Petroleum. The first question, what are the advantages of using CNG and LPG as fuels? Answer, the advantages of using CNG and LPG as fuels are as following. CNG and LPG both are clean fuels. Their cost is very low. They burn with a blue flame without any smoke. They do not blacken utensil or pollute air. They are very easy to handle, ignite, and to put off. They have high calorific value. They are easily available. The second question, name the petroleum products used for surfacing of roads. It is bitumen. Describe how coal is formed from dead vegetation. What is this process called? About 300 million years ago, there was a dense forest in low lying wetland areas on the earth. As the trees died, they got covered with sand and mud. More trees grew on this sand and mud. When these trees die, they got covered. Sometimes, due to earthquake and volcanoes, the entire forest they buried very deep down into the earth. The high temperature and high pressure inside the earth slowly it made this buried vegetation gets converted to coal. A coal contains mainly carbon. Thus, this slow process of conversion of wood into coal is called carbonization. Fourth question, fill in the blanks. So solve this fourth question in your text. Fossil fuels are, so there are three dashes: coal, petroleum, natural gas. Process of separation of different constituents from petroleum is called refining. The least polluting fuel for vehicles is CNG. Question number 5 also solve it in your text, so no need to write in the classbook again. Fossil fuels can be made in the laboratory. Can we prepare fossil fuels in the laboratory? No, it is false. CNG is more polluting fuel than petrol. False. Coke is almost a pure form of carbon. True. Coal tar is a mixture of various substances. True. Kerosene is not a fossil fuel. False. It's a fossil fuel. Sixth question. Explain why fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources. Fossil fuels are limited in nature and can be exhausted very soon by human activities. Hence, they are called exhaustible natural resources. Seventh question. Describe characteristics and uses of coke. First, let us list about the characteristics. It is almost the purest form of carbon. It is porous and black substance. It is a bad conductor of heat and electricity, and it is very tough. Coming to its uses, it burns very easily and it will not produce smoke. It's a very good reducing agent. It is used in the manufacture of gaseous fuel like producer gas N2 plus carbon monoxide, whereas water gas it's in the ratio of hydrogen and carbon monoxide. It is used in the manufacture of steel and in the extraction of many metals. Explain the process of formation of petroleum. Petroleum was formed from organisms living in the sea. As these organisms die, their bodies settle at the bottom of the sea and covered with layers of sand and clay. Over millions of years, due to the absence of air, high pressure, high temperature, they get transformed these dead organisms into petroleum and its products. Ninth question. The following table shows the total power shortage in India from 1991 to 1997. Show the data in the form of graph. Plot shortage percentage of the year on the y-axis. This has to be there in the y-axis. So you have to write the shortage percentage on the y-axis. and year on the x axis. So this data has been given in your text. So this is how you have to plot. So in 1993, so it was 7.7. So you have to write a bar graph like this. So write for each year. Thank you, students. Complete the classwork. The fill in the blanks and true or false can be completed in the text. Rest question and answers, that graph thing has to be there in the classwork. Thank you. Have a nice day.